guys, welcome back to the channel Painting Joy. I'm Anusha and today I'm going to give you a really simple tutorial on how to make your very own bead charm for your bags, purses or anything. Here are some of my inspo from Pinterest, uh, and here are the materials required. Only a few materials to give you a really awesome effect. You'll need some beads. I've taken colorful ones as well as some white ones, a safety pin, a thin plastic wire and a pair of pliers. Step 1 is to insert a plastic wire through your bead and create a loop like structure. Repeat this for all of your beads. Step 2 is to make a bow out of your beads and insert them all into your safety wire to get this amazing bead charm. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more such amazing videos, and you'll thank me later.